Hello, my dear friends. This is Ankush K. Sood, father of two smart kids, two dogs, married to a Wonder Woman, a school days soccer player, got into the sales and marketing in insurance sector, worked for multinational companies almost for 10 years, a co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends, a real estate agency in year 2014, turned a web real estate strategist and a coach. So I would like to introduce three major giants in Chandigarh capital region, who they are consultant and a coach and a brand builders and a strategic partners for multiple builders in Tri-City Chandigarh capital region. Let me introduce Mr. R. Rajan Singhal, MD of Mindspan, and Mr. Bharat Agarwal, a strategic partner Lanchester, and Mr. Anupam Gupta, Director Sales, GVP, Chandigarh. Who are they? Very big question. They are a backbone for the builders in Tri-City these days, as they make brand building programs and strategic steps for any organization to work in this competitive world, especially for real estate. They have their multiple expertise, and out of all expertise, first and foremost, they tell builders how to utilize their funds for making brand, and brand building programs are their key lever that builders are accepting them and following them. Second thing which they are doing, they are supporting initially from day one to the new builders for identifying the right land, then which product they should start building up, and while doing market competitive analysis, market research, and then give the framework to them how to go about it. They work on the sales strategist, they make the strategies for them, and while using their market intelligence, they launch the project, and builder gets the brand building program, right strategies for their project to be launched in the market, and earn revenues, a lot of revenues. Why are they dominating is the most important thing. They are the big giant. What are they doing? They are basically making builders strong and giving confidence to them that while infusing funds in various multiple marketing and branding strategies, builder can get 10x out of it. Second, why are they dominating? Because they are having and retaining the grip of most important department of builders. Those are sale department. Everywhere they have placed their known and their assessed people at head positions. So they come to know about various organization internal working and strategies. So we come across information about everything. That is called market intelligence. And the third thing, is that they are running their own placement services. So they are helping builders in other way to give good resource which is aligned to the builder's objective and their objective, and that fellow or that team is also having a great path to go ahead. So they are retaining the grip over the warriors, sale warriors of builders. That is why they are dominating in the market. My dear friends, I respect them all and we are learning from them. Surely I have decoded what they are actually doing. So try to apply. This is Ankush K. Sood, father of 2 smart kids, 2 dogs, married to a Wonder Woman, son of winner parents, soccer player in school days, now a real estate strategist and a marketeer and a web coach, co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends. See you in next video.